everyone, I'm Ryan Young. So beside me is
Jolene.
Jolene, yeah. Because today we're gonna share about tips and tricks for
solo female travelers.
Yeah. So all the ladies, please pay attention right now, okay?
I've been working for, I'm gonna reveal my age. I've been working for more than 15 years in the corporate world. I've done a lot of businesses, and I've quit my job and quit everything, sold all my furnitures 9 months ago, and then I started traveling on the road.
Okay.
So I had to cut my trip short. Went to Japan for 17 days, and then I came back to Malaysia. Then from here I went to Hawaii. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful place.
Okay.
And then from there I went to Bruno Mars's concert in
Wow,
Tacoma.
my favorite, Bruno Mars. Okay.
Yeah, and then from there I went back to LA to see some of my friends. From LA there was like a girls trip. We all went to Mexico, and then from there I went to another place in Mexico. Then I went to Madrid. Guys, you gotta take notes, okay? So it's Madrid,
Yes.
Portugal, Sevilla, Granada, Almeria, Barcelona, San Sebastian, then over to Bordeaux, which is France, then Paris,
Okay.
then Brussels, London, and I went to Ireland, then down south to south of France, Marseille. Then I traveled the whole entire coast of Italy,
Okay.
the west coast. So can't even remember the names, but I think it's Modena. Went to Cinque Terre, which is like
Cinque Terre,
yeah, it's
so beautiful.
It's beautiful.
I'm so envy her, you know. Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's beautiful. Actually, the coast, the west coast of Italy, is one of the most beautiful places to go. Then from there, I went to Naples, which is super famous for pizza. And then from there I went to Sicily, which is the southern part of Italy, which is also known for the mafia side of Italians.
Okay.
And then from there it was too cold and I couldn't take winter, so I decided to head south. So I took a ferry from Sicilia to Tunisia, which is one of the first Africa place that I've been. Then from Tunisia, I went to Egypt. Egypt was really, really nice. It's really pretty. And then from there, I went to Jordan. And then I came back to Egypt. And then from Egypt, I volunteered 2 weeks in Kenya, which is really, really beautiful. And then I had this enlightenment. So I really wanted to learn about meditation, so I took up a Vipassana course, which is 10 days of silent, so no talking, meditation, and I did it in Nepal. But if there's just one, it would be Egypt.
Egypt.
Yes. Egypt was such an amazing spiritual country that I've actually been to, and all the temples, oh my god, they just look like from the movies. You know, you see all the different movies.
Yeah, I can imagine right now.
The pyramids and the camels. I mean, it's my first time seeing camels.
Yes, I try to imagine that. Now I'm in Egypt. Please tell me more.
It's crazy. It's so beautiful. But the history behind Egypt and the food, oh my god, it's so good. It's just beautiful. You just got to go. That's all I can say. You
Okay.
Like every place I go, everyone asks me this. Are you traveling by yourself?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh my god, how do you do it? It's actually not typical at all. Like every place that I go to, there's couch surfing, you know, that app that you get to meet locals. And then I stay at hostels where I get to meet a lot of friends.
Okay.
You're never alone actually. When you're there, you're always meeting someone new, and then, you know, and somehow rather you just make plans. You don't plan everything out. Right? So there's one thing that I've learned is that I've actually learned this from a friend who I've met. Is whenever you sense danger, with a very, very sweet smile, it goes away. I'm serious. Like, you know, if someone is going to like hurt you, you smile at them and say hi, right? It cuts off that negative energy. So when you're displaying positive energy, people would just go, oh okay, hi.
Yeah, I agree, seriously.
And if they
You
don't
guys
say
should-
hi or they don't smile back at you, it means it's danger, go run.
Yeah.
The best
Okay.
tip I could share with you guys is one is bring your mom to travel with you. And that's what I've done. So I've actually brought her along and she's come to my trips. So she knows exactly what I'm doing, what kind of places I'm staying, and you know what am I
I mean, just show her an example your travel style first.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
So she gets to experience it herself and not you just telling her. And then another way is to always, once in a while, have like a live chat. Because you know, internet's so cheap everywhere you go. Just buy a local SIM card, have FaceTime,
Okay.
show her around, like actually walk around town
Yeah, I'm
with my
safe.
mom.
Right now, I'm
Yeah,
safe.
it's like, hey mom. Yeah, it's very interesting. So I learn a lot of things.
Yeah,
I
meet
gain
a
a
lot
lot
of
of
friends.
friends, and I have a lot of sisters everywhere in the world. And it's really cool because they show you how to cook, you know, how to live like how does the local females, and I actually learned so much from them, like their family and how they balance work and their life, and you know how is it like to be a female in that country, because not every country is as open as us. Okay, I'm lucky because not revealing my age again.
Yes, please.
I've been working for many years and I saved up a lot, so it's actually coming from my savings. But
okay.
I mean, to kind of share for the rest of you who are always asking this question, and I've seen a lot of examples. So girls who actually travel a lot, they usually do this, right? So it's either they're full-time travelers, so they travel non-stop for 5 years, I'm just 9 months. They actually are either a teacher, so it's an English teacher everywhere. I've heard of this, which is Chinese teacher.
Oh, Chinese
So
teacher, okay.
There's a lot of people hiring Chinese teacher now. And then they're either teachers or divers. So they go,
yeah,
you know,
quite a lot.
scuba diving. You're actually a diver, a dive master, so you can teach people things too. So these are like the two common jobs that I've heard that travels a lot. Important for me, and of course,
Okay.
one is I hide my money. Gosh, now everyone's gonna know.
No, I also hide it too, same. Seriously, that's very serious.
So I hide my money in a sanitary pad.
Okay.
That's the safest because nobody's gonna go and dig out your sanitary pad. So I put my money in there, and then there's some advice that you can actually cut up your soap, and then you can roll the cash into the soap and you can put it back.
Wow.
In the soap. There's a lot of different tricks to hide your money, but I really think you should find a way and remember where you hide it.
Yeah, because
You forget. So the second one that I always bring along is Ziploc bags. It's really essential for everything, like to pack your clothes lightly. You can put all your clothes in there, Ziploc it, and then get out the air and it becomes flattened, so you can actually pack it. And it also helps you to prevent water. So in any case that you're backpacking and you're walking and it's raining suddenly, your backpack is wet and your clothes are dry because it's in a Ziploc bag. So it's very important.
I see. Okay. So thank you so much, Jolene.
You're welcome.
Yeah, for sharing tips and tricks. That's really good. So I hope all the ladies, so just start it now to pack your bag to travel. Okay.
Yeah, just keep living what you want to do.
Yeah,
just travel.
Yes, I think you can do it. Even for solo female travel, it doesn't matter. It's okay, no problem. It's
Yeah.
really safe
It's very safe.
because she's still
Still here.
alive. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.